Hello everybody. So I picked up this 1986 XR250R yesterday, and I'm going to make a video on how I'm going to bring it back to life. And I'm not going to restore it probably 100%. I'm not going to strip it to chassis, but I'm gonna definitely make it look nicer, and hopefully it'll run pretty good. I picked it up yesterday for a really good deal, and actually didn't think I was going to get a title for it, but the guy said that you can probably get a title for me. He's 90% sure. So he lives nearby, so I've been talking with him on the phone. But yeah, I picked it up for a pretty good deal. Noticed that the rear tire kind of looks really small for this bike. Now, I don't think that's the right size, because you can see it kind of looks weird. But I actually never owned XR250R. Always wanted this bike, and I saw it on Craigslist, and I called the guy and he still had it, and I picked it up. I was really excited. See, the seat is all torn up, but you can get a seat cover for pretty cheap nowadays. The plastic is faded. I think I can actually bring it back to life to the way it was. I saw one guy using a razor, and he would just scrape off this kind of sun-faded plastic. The fork seals probably gone because it's all greasy, and it looks like there's some leakage here. The front tire is all cracked. Just looks like this bike has been sitting outside, but the most important thing is it's all there. So I want to show you, there's a mice nest inside the air filter right here. Alright, so I got a bucket, some gloves, some protection. I'm gonna evict a little Mickey Mouse. Hopefully there's nothing in there. A bunch of seeds. Poop. Ah. Jesus. I don't want to stick my hand in there. I think is empty. I don't think there's anyone there. Pull out the filter. The filter actually looks good. The bikes I had before, well, I take that back. It's coming apart. Yeah, but the bikes I had before, it's either way worse. Like one bike I had, it was just, it had like a layer like this thick. It was like a chocolate cake, you know. caked in dirt. Like no one ever changed that thing, and when you touched it, it just kind of disintegrated and just like a greasy, gunky mess. All right, come on, Mr. Filter, come on. Did I just hear a hiss? Don't make it difficult. Yeah, I think the the mouse apartment is vacated. If there's anything in there. Alright, well it looks alright. There's a lot of mouse poop on the bottom. Probably gotta wash these gloves or throw them out. That's the air filter. It looks alright. It's just old, and that's why it disintegrated. But for the most part, it looks pretty clean, other than mouse hair and all the debris. But it looks pretty good. That's a good sign. So I've let this mouse poop marinate in here for a little bit with some degreaser, and I'm gonna stick a rag in here so no water leaks inside the carb. And not that it doesn't really matter, because the carb needs to be cleaned anyway. Yeah, it's a good thing I let it sit. It's coming up nicely. Yuck. Clean this off. I'm gonna spray the water inside. The airbox actually looks clean, other than the mouse poop. You don't really see a lot of dirt build up in there. It's not a very exciting part. I'm just cleaning it out. Can't really see it too good, but I'll show you the end process, what it looks like. I might have to take it out anyway. I've actually never removed the carb from this bike, but it looks actually pretty easy. It looks like my Suzuki XR250, but I don't really have to remove the seat or the airbox to take out the carb. On my XR500, it was a dual carb, and geez, I had to like disassemble half the bike to get a carburetor. It was such a pain in the ass. The bike ripped. It was really fast. Alright. Get the hose to wash it out. Yeah, it looks really clean. See, this is not bad. This is my rag, by the way, right here. That little red part, stuck it in the hole, and want the water to get in there. All right, so next thing, I'm gonna take off the seat. All right, let's get the bolt is not seized. The seat is decent. I might put a little bit of foam right here and glue it in this space. And I already ordered the seat cover, but it's good that it's like not like a big chunk of foam just ripped out. And it looks fairly clean. It has some dust in it. It's expected. Let me show you. It looks like here. This is a rubber piece that holds the tank in place. Looks fine. I love when things fall in the grass and you can't find them. You lost the washer. Oh, here it is. Alright, I'll try to be more careful. So this is the fender. It's not bad. The whole fender was dirty, like this part right here, but I washed it with a brush. You see, it looks actually really good. It's not really that sun faded. I think it'll be pretty easy to make it look nice. The way when I was pulling off the right side cover, I don't know if I broke it during the transportation yesterday. I don't know if you can see it, but this little plastic piece broke off, so I would have to probably epoxy it. If you guys have any suggestions for like really strong glue to glue it back together, I've seen people do it before. I'll do some online research, but the plastic looks pretty good actually. Looks like the bike was registered in '92 for off-road riding. It's a Washington title or Washington permit. Yeah. Actually pretty good. It's not damaging the plastic.